Hi everyone, welcome back to another live trading series. I know it's been a while, it's been about 2 weeks. I haven't had much time to film something. I haven't been doing many trades, so that's why, a little bit of a delay between videos. I wanted to film this video of me rolling my Twitter strangle that's going against me. I feel like everything is going against me right now. So Twitter's not working out that well. AMD, it's getting tested. I think I might roll Nvidia. I'm running out of buying power. So there's a lot to be done in this video. I might cut it up into two parts. You can probably see what's happening to Twitter right now. My strangle was, I think, 38.55. And then if you take a look now, okay, thankfully it's dropping down. But Twitter is above 55. Ooh, look, it is coming down. Okay, this might change. But I am going to roll this one out. I don't want to get short. I don't want to have to sell 1,000 Twitter shares that I don't have, but oh, nice. This is kind of cool. It's actually coming back down. I'm happy. So it would be a little cheaper for me to roll out, but let's take a look at let's see what it looks like. Twitter strangle. I'm losing $2,000 on this. As you can see, my 38 put is safe, but then my 55 call, obviously not safe. So I will roll this out right now, regardless of what's happening here. So it's like hovering around the 55, but I'm not going to roll the dice with this. It does expire in 30 days, but I like to do 60-day strangles just to earn some more theta. But let's see what happens with that. Let me do it right now. So what you have to do when you're rolling a strangle, you have to buy back exactly the ones you sold, close them out. When you buy back what you sold, it closes them out, and then you have to sell new ones. What I'm going to do, you don't have to sell new ones, but if you want to close it out. But I do want to roll it. I want to be playing around with Twitter. So I will be selling February. So I'm going to do 60 days. 60 days out. So if I sell the 44 put and the 70 or 75, let's see what this looks like. I do want to see the Greeks for a little bit. So what I like seeing, the delta. So 75 would be the 15 delta, and then 44. Let me just see what it is. 44 is also the 15, but then I'm losing money on this. That's not good. So maybe I might do like a bootleg strangle. Should I do the 70? I don't want to lose money on this. This is annoying. So I'm selling February. I'm buying back. Yeah, because it's already... This is annoying. So let me sell the 70. So it's kind of a bootleg strangle. Oh man, I'm still losing money on this by rolling it out. Do I go riskier? Probably not. 45. This sucks. Oh man. Oh man, oh man. I'm going to be losing money on this, but let's see. Let's see if I could. Oh man. I wasn't expecting. I thought I'd be able to roll it out for a credit. This is annoying. I'm rolling it out for a loss. But if you see like this top right corner, currently down $2,000, and I guess if I do roll it out for, let's say, minus, man, this is annoying. Can we try to close it out for $5? Roll. Oh man, I don't like this. I'm losing, bad trade. But what can we do? We'll see if that gets filled, and then let's do AMD. If we take AMD, I sold the 72.5 put and the 105 call. AMD slowly rising. If you look at the chart, I don't want to hold this for another 30 days. I don't want the 105 to get tested. So let me roll it out now, just so I can still try to earn some money. what I want to do, I'm going to again sell the February. If I go 10, 10. So the put will be 80. I have the money to cover the 80 put. The call side will be, I think I decided on 125. Again, let's look at the Greeks just to see what we're selling here. So on the call side, the 125 delta is 10. The 125 strike is 10 delta. And the 80 is 12. Okay. Do I go? So you see what's different here? I'm making, let's say, $150 a contract, so $1,500. The previous one, because Twitter was tested, like it already broke through my call. That's why I wasn't making any money on this. You know, I could go even safer. I don't need to make that much money on it. I'll make $1,000 here. So this is the 77.5. So here I'm going like 9.5 delta and then 9 delta again. I am happy with this. Interesting for $1,000. Let me try to increase it. Maybe I can make a little more just to offset the Twitter that I'm losing money on. So let's sell. So if we go buy to close, sell to open, sell to open. So I'm rolling out for another 30 days, hopefully earning another $1,000. My buying power doesn't change much because it's already open. So I want that to get filled. And then there's one more. I just want to show you what's going on with Nvidia. I didn't purposely do this as a strangle. Yeah. So I sold a December 31st 470 put for $450, and I can buy it back now for 125. So I think I'm up 75% on this. There's 2 weeks left, so let me roll it out another 2 weeks. So if we go one put, custom. So add a put. So I have to buy back the exact one I sold, which is 470. And then I will sell 2 weeks out. And I think I will sell another 470. Let's see what Nvidia looks like. Nvidia hovering around 530, kind of going up down. Let's see. I can't remember the last time it hit 470. If we check by day, I remember choosing 470 for a reason. 470, yeah. So I did draw this line a while ago. So the last time was September 4th when it hit a hard tank. I'm still comfortable trading this range. I could probably, I think previously I had this strangle in mind. 590, 470 appears to be the trading range. So if we see the previous call I did was 610. So 590 I found was support. That's the all-time high. So then I sold it $10 higher, which is not much room, but I did sell it a little bit higher just to give me a little bit of a buffer. So, okay, let's do this. And I should be making 365 for rolling just another 2 weeks. So buy to close and then sell to open. Oh man, I'm still unhappy with that Nvidia. That's annoying. Let's see what else. I don't really want to show you guys what I did with Tesla. I think I sold too much. Should I show it now? I don't know. I don't really want to show. I don't want everyone to see what's happening with Tesla. My Moderna it's not going too well. Moderna keeps decreasing. I thought I would get lucky with this, but no big deal. I can roll it. I can keep rolling it. Corsair is doing well. I sold the 30 put. That's doing well. Bank of America. What is happening here? I might buy this back at a loss and just never have to deal with it again. Bank of America keeps going against me. If I just do back. I just like, the way this looks is prettier. So I sold the 24 put and now it's like 50%. I'll be fine with this. I should probably close this out. And then January 15th, like it's already in the money, but then I have to close it out for $1,400. But Bank of America, my loss right now is only $730. which is the 73 cents times 1,000. But I don't think I'm too worried about this. I'm not too worried about this yet. Is there anything else I should do? I don't want to show you guys my Tesla stuff. I might save it for another video. Should I show it now? I did a lot on Tesla. I did a lot. Take a look here. I sold a bunch of Strangles. 1, 2, 3, 4 Strangles. So the January 15th one is kind of stressing me out. I might close this at 50% profit. The put might get tested, but we'll deal with that when we get there. I know I'm selling a lot. So here, these expire in 2 days. I don't think Tesla will hit 720 in 2 days. I don't think it'll hit 550 in 2 days. If anything, I can roll it. But everything seems to be going pretty well. Again, 2 days, 760, 500, and then 800. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know why I did all this stuff. I should probably close out that Twitter strangle. I keep thinking about it. I do want to open more, like my buying power. Like I can sell around $100,000 worth, but I do want to leave a little bit more room. I'll probably close a few Tesla strangles early, or maybe let them expire. I don't know. I'm all over the place right now. Let me end this here. So right now it's Wednesday, December 16th. I'm probably going to film another video, maybe Friday, maybe next Monday, just showing you what I'm going to do with Tesla. What else should I do? And then maybe managing those Moderna stocks. I might close out Twitter. I don't even think it got filled yet, but I'll address that. Because right now I'm losing money. Like, I'm rolling it out. I have this obligation for 60 days and I'm not even making money on it. But what can we do? It was just a mistake on my part. If we just see, I think Twitter announced that they're merging with Snap. Like, you're going to be able to see tweets on Snap. And look where the stock price kind of shot up since that announcement, from 46 to 56. So that was huge. So let me try to get rid of that. I don't know what to do. This is bad moves all around, but what can we do? I probably should have rolled it out earlier. Yeah, I think I'm talking too much. Let me end it here. Thanks for watching. I know it's been a while. I'm going to keep trying to release these at least once a week, but I didn't have anything to film in the past and I didn't want to make a video for no reason. So thanks for watching. Hopefully this one gets released soon. I'll film another one showing you what I'm going to do with Tesla. Thanks, guys.